Think you know everything about driving? Think again. Most drivers have no idea these secrets even exist. But hear the twist. One of these secrets could save you thousands in expensive car repairs. And mechanics don't want you to know. In this video, we're revealing 13 secret car secrets that only experienced drivers know. But after watching this, you'll be one step ahead of the crowd. So stick around until the end because the last secret will blow your mind. Let's dive in. Secret number 13. Side Mirror Auto Tilt Mode. The Side Mirror Auto Tilt Mode is a smart and stylish feature that makes parking feel effortless. When you shift your car into reverse, the mirrors automatically tilt downward, giving you a clear view of the curb or parking lines. This clever move helps you park perfectly without scratching your wheels or bumping the curb. As soon as you shift back into drive, the mirrors smoothly return to their normal position. It's a small touch that makes a big difference in convenience and confidence. With Auto Tilt Mode, every reverse feels smoother, safer, and more precise. Secret number 12. The hidden arrow on your fuel gauge. The hidden arrow on your fuel gauge is a brilliant little secret that makes driving easier. If you look closely next to the tiny fuel pump icon on your dashboard, you'll spot a small arrow. That arrow points to the side of your car where the fuel cap is located. It's a lifesaver when you're driving a new or rental car and don't know which side to refuel from. No more guessing or pulling up to the wrong side of the pump. This small but smart feature saves time and prevents frustration. It's a perfect example of how thoughtful design can make everyday driving smoother and smarter. Secret number 11. Boost your key fob range. Want to unlock your car from farther away? Here's a cool trick. Hold your key fob under your chin and press the button. Your body actually helps boost the signal, giving you a surprising increase in range. It's perfect when you're walking through a crowded parking lot or caught in the rain. Don't forget to replace the battery regularly to keep it performing at its best. With a few simple hacks, your key fob can work like magic. Faster, farther, and smarter. Secret number 10. Foil key fob protection. Wrapping your key fob in aluminum foil creates a simple Faraday pouch that blocks signals and helps prevent relay attacks. Fold the foil tightly around the fob, so there are no gaps where radio waves can leak through. For frequent use, keep a small homemade foil pouch, or buy an inexpensive Faraday key case for neater, more durable protection. Remember that foil can tear. Inspect it regularly and replace it if it becomes crinkled or damaged. Keep the fob in the pouch when at home or in public places where thieves might try to amplify its signal. As an extra precaution, disable passive entry in your car settings if possible and replace key fob batteries when performance drops. Secret number 9. Dead key fob backup system. A dead key fob doesn't have to leave you stranded. Most cars have a smart backup system built in. If your key fob battery dies, look for a hidden key inside the fob that can unlock your car door manually. Once inside, many cars have a special slot or sensor near the start button that can still detect the fob. It's a clever feature that ensures you're never completely locked out. Always check your car's manual to find the exact backup method. With this knowledge, a dead key fob becomes just a small hiccup, not a big hassle. Secret number 8. Use nail polish to stop cracks. Clear nail polish is more than just a beauty essential. It's a handy repair tool in disguise. Got a tiny crack in your car windshield? A chip on your phone screen? A quick dab of clear nail polish can stop it from spreading. It works like an invisible seal, holding things together until you can get a proper fix. The polish dries quickly and forms a protective barrier that keeps dirt and moisture out. Best of all, it's something most people already have at home. Who knew a little bottle of nail polish could be such a clever lifesaver? Secret number 7. Upside-down steering wheel hack. The upside-down steering wheel hack is a clever parking trick many drivers don't know about. When you park on a slope, turning your steering wheel in a specific direction can keep your car from rolling away. If you're facing downhill, turn the wheel toward the curb. If you're uphill, turn it away. Some drivers even flip the wheel upside down as a reminder of how it's positioned. It's a simple visual cue that helps you double-check your safety before leaving the car. This little habit can prevent accidents and protect your vehicle. It's a small move that adds a big layer of security. With the upside-down steering wheel hack, you can park smarter and safer every time. Secret number 6. Penny Tire Test. The penny tire test is a quick and easy way to check your tire tread at home. All you need is a simple penny and a few seconds of your time. Insert the penny into the tire tread with Lincoln's head facing down. If you can see the top of his head, your tire tread is too shallow, and it's time for new tires. If part of his head is covered, your tires still have enough grip for safe driving. This old-school trick helps you avoid costly wear or dangerous blowouts. It's a smart way to stay safe without needing special tools. With the penny tire test, a single coin can tell you a lot about your car's safety. Secret number 5. Use toothpaste for headlight restoration. Using toothpaste for headlight restoration is a brilliant and budget-friendly car hack. Over time, headlights can become cloudy or yellowed, reducing brightness and visibility. A small amount of regular white toothpaste can help polish away that haze. The mild abrasives in toothpaste work to remove oxidation and dirt buildup. In just a few minutes, your headlights can look clearer and newer. It's an easy, low-cost solution that improves both appearance and safety. Who knew a bathroom essential could make your car shine brighter on the road? Secret number 4. Steering wheel adjustment secret. The steering wheel adjustment secret is one every driver should know for comfort and control. Most cars let you move the wheel up, down, in, or out to match your driving position. Adjusting it correctly can reduce arm and shoulder strain on long drives. The key is to keep the wheel about 10 to 12 inches from your chest for safety and visibility. Tilting it slightly down also gives a better view of the dashboard. Many drivers overlook this simple tweak, but it makes a huge difference in comfort and reaction time. Once you find your perfect position, driving feels smoother and more natural. It's a small secret that can completely change your driving experience. Secret number 2. Emergency fuel door release. The emergency fuel door release is a hidden feature that can save you from frustration at the pump. Sometimes the fuel door refuses to open due to a faulty latch or dead battery. In those moments, the emergency release comes to the rescue. It's usually a small lever or pull tab located inside the trunk or near the rear seat. Pulling it manually pops open the fuel door, allowing you to refuel without hassle. This clever backup system ensures you're never stuck when your car's electronics fail. It's a small but essential feature every driver should know about. Taking a minute to locate it now can save you major stress later. Secret number 1. Turn off accessories before starting. Turning off accessories before starting your car is a simple habit that can protect your vehicle's battery. Items like the radio, air conditioning, lights, and chargers all draw power the moment you start the engine. By switching them off first, you reduce the strain on your battery and starter motor. This helps your car start more smoothly, especially in cold weather. It can also extend the life of your electrical components over time. Once the engine is running, you can turn everything back on without worry. It's a small step that makes a big difference in maintaining your car's health. A little mindfulness before you start can save you from unexpected battery troubles later. So, there you go. 13 secret car tricks that'll make you drive like a seasoned pro. Which one surprised you the most? Comment below. Drive safe, stay smart. See you in the next video.